Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to see a emoji which is laughing, and this is called tears of joy. Let's start the drawing. First we are going to outline the eye. You can see here. So this is the eye line, and you can see the eyebrow on top. The teardrops, you can see there's a graphical presentation here. Other one you can see here. So the circle I already drawn previously. You can see I'm just drawing the face, and we can see the teeth and the tongue in the bottom. All right, so for the eyes and the eyebrow, let's make it a bold dark color. We are going to increase the depth. All right, for the tears, let's put another graphical droplet here. Okay, so this is the basic shape as we have drawn right now. Then we're going to put the colors. Let's put the color here. You can see I'm filling up with the bright green color. That's how the drawing is going to be looking nice. All right, so the color is looking good and the shape is becoming nicely visible. As you can see, this is in progress. Okay, so I'm filling up the last part of my drawing. So now you can see that almost all the part is nicely done. And inside of the mouth, we're going to put the dark black color with the use of the pencil. So as you can see that this is a monochromatic color. We're going to make it as uniform as possible. Okay, so inside is done. Now we're going to put the red color for the tongue here. Let's use the pen to make it mostly red, and you can see the depth. That's why I'm using the pen. All right, these are the little details and the elaborations which makes the drawing very nice. You can follow the procedures and all the steps, then your drawing is going to be nice too. So for the teardrops, we're going to put the blue color here. Okay. The white parts inside that one is usually the reflections. So you can see here the drawing is nicely done. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like the video and put the bell icon on to get all the updates. And you can follow the playlist, so select your own categories. I have lots of drawings in my playlist. And then stay with blue hand drawing. Thank you so much. Have a good day.